privacy settings. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. Firstly, you have to go and open up your TikTok application, and here you have to click on the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Now you have to go on the top right corner and click on these three horizontal lines, and after that you have to go on the settings and privacy. So now once you are in, you have to go on the account settings. Here is the option of the privacy, you have to select that. The first option is of the account privacy. Here you can set your account to either public. In this public, anyone can see your videos, or in private, only approved followers can see your videos. The next option is of the direct messages. Now here you can decide who can send you direct messages like friends, or you can turn it off with direct messages. The next option is of the comment filters. Now here you can manage your comments on your videos, allowing you to filter and control who can comment on your content. And the next option is of the dude and stitch. Here you can decide who can dude or stitch with your videos. Here you can select it on the everyone or in the only me. Or you can also review each option and customize your privacy settings according to your preferences. So yeah, this is how you can reset your TikTok privacy settings.